Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to crochet a beautiful and stylish rug. I will share information that how to crochet your rug and also tell you about crochet rugs and give you some ideas, some info. In today's video I'm not only going to show you crochet rug designing ideas but also tell you how to crochet a rug and some detail about crochet work, that which type of material are used in crochet work. Viewers, the rug, if for example I will take one example for you. I've been crocheting for over 20 years and I've made a lot of rugs in my time. I have learned a lot along the way and I'm excited to share some of my tips and tricks with you today. The first thing you need to do is to choose the right yarn. You want to use a yarn that is sturdy enough to hold up to everyday use. I'm using a worsted weight yarn, but you could also use a bulky weight yarn if you want a thicker rug. The next thing you need to do is to choose the right hook size. The hook size will depend on the thickness of the yarn you are using. I am using a size H hook, but you may need to use a smaller or larger hook depending on the yarn you choose. Once you have your yarn and hook, you are ready to start crocheting. The pattern of this rug is very simple and it is easy to follow. I will walking you through each step of the way, so don't worry if you are a beginner. We will start by crocheting a foundation chain. When the foundation chain is done, we will crochet the first row. Then we will repeat the first row until the rug is the desired size. The last step is to sew the rug together. Once the rug is sewn together, you have a beautiful and stylish crochet rug that you can enjoy for years to come. Here are some tips for making a great crochet rug. Use a tight, dense crochet stitch. This will help to keep the rug from sagging or stretching. Work with a durable yarn. This will help the rug to last longer. Choose a pattern that is easy to follow. This will help you to avoid making mistakes. Be patient and take your time. Crocheting a rug can take some time, but it